Hey guys, welcome back. We are back down in our dark basement. And I have another large, the 12 by 12 tile. And I have mixed up some random colors. I have this bright red from Apple Barrel right here. And this one here, I've made a pink using the bright red and some simply acrylic white. Right here I have the blue bonnet from Apple Barrel. This one here is a neon yellow, and that's from Folk Art. And here we have the metallic purple again, because I love the metallic purple, or it's actually, sorry, it's amethyst, metallic amethyst from Folk Art. And then this one here, this one's a little bit different. This is actually aqua, and it's actually an enamel from Folk Art. I don't know if enamel will be okay, but hey, it was in my stash and I'm going to use it. So basically, I'm going to do kind of a zigzaggy swirl, or a drag, I guess. I'm not going to do a flip or anything like that. I just kind of want to layer some colors and then pour them out and then do a tilt. I thought about doing a black background, but I'm not really sure yet. Black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white. Oh my gosh, it's too much pressure. Let's do black because I have a black cup already. And it's from yesterday's. I did not clean my cups yesterday. I still have to do that, which is why I'm using these cute little cups here, which are actually from my soap room, and I had bought them a while ago and never used them for any project. So I thought I'm going to take them and put some paint in them. And no, they wouldn't be reusable because they are just little paper cups. So all my paints are a mixture of 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, and just a hint of water if it's needed to thin it to the consistency that I'm looking for. And obviously, since this is fluid art, I want the paint fluid. So I'm just going to put a little splash of water in here, and I am using just regular bottled spring water. I once again, 2 days in a row, remembered to put my paint shirt on. This was actually one of my favorite shirts until I didn't have my apron on one day in my soap room, and I was making body butter that day. Yeah, so it's covered in oils. So now it has become a paint shirt or whatever if I don't have my apron on, which I can't find right now. So that out there. Grab a little scraper. Pull that paint around. Catch my edges. I'm so happy doing tiles. They're just so much fun. And the greatest thing about tile, if I really, really dislike something, I don't have to worry about painting over it. I can just wash it off if I really wanted to. Just like so. I probably should have poured, I do this all the time. I should have poured all my paint, mixed it all together that I wanted. So I could have done it right here instead of having to hold everything. Whatever, it is what it is. And you would think I would have learned that lesson, but I am obviously a slow learner. So I should really look at getting a cordless microphone because once again, I am covered in paint. Okay, so we are going to probably do a couple of them. So we're going to do some pink in there, followed by this blue bonnet. Oops, grabbing my cord. Oops, I'm dripping on my, some of that enamel, some red, purple, that neon yellow. I'm so excited for that. All right, we're going to mix up one more cup of paint, and we're going to start with yellow and add our aqua and some pink, some red, purple. All right, you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. We're just going to kind of pour wherever we want. Oh, it's a pretty lime green in there. Okay. And now our second cup. Kind of scrape a little bit here. Don't want to waste any of that. Pretty colors. Let's do the same with our other one. We got some yellows going on in there. Okay. Let's kind of do some drips here too because I have some extra paint. Like so. So last night I had just a teeny bit of paint left over. So I actually broke out some little minis and I did some, these are 2x2 little tiles. And I just did a quick pour on those. So let's see what we can do here. trying to catch this yellow down here. This way. I think that neon yellow really hit the spot here, I think. Really did a good number. I think we're going to leave that black though. Kind of really am digging that. Let me wipe my hands real quick. I should have, see, I still don't have all my stuff down here, and that's a problem. What I'm not really digging is all of this blue right there. So I think I just want just a teeny bit of yellow in there. And let's see, let's kind of drag that. Okay, let's get a little more color in there. Let's do some pulls here. Well, let's see. You know what I really need is a turntable, and I have a Lazy Susan someplace. And I need to find it because I really think that that would come in handy. You know, I'm not liking what I did there. I really, see, this is a case where less is more. So let's try to stretch that out just a bit there. Grab the torch. You know, I have yet to put silicone in anything. I really should try that. I feel like there's something there that maybe shouldn't be. You can see where the yellow mixed with the aqua and kind of made a neon green in there. I'm really liking that. Okay, I'm going to take my gloves off and bring you in for a close-up. I'm going to pause you real quick. There we go. Try not to get my shadow in there. I apologize. Look at that green. Some little cells. And ribbons of yellow. That's a nice corner. I'm glad I did black. Black was a nice color on this. What do you guys think? I'm not happy with that. I should have left it alone. I don't know. It's okay. Somebody will like it. Well, that's it. I am off to go give my son a haircut and a bath. And eventually, at some point today, I will think about wrapping holiday gifts. Because I haven't done that yet, still. But it is only December 23rd. All right, you guys. Give me a like, subscribe, thumbs up. Hit that little bell if you want notified of when a new video comes out. And give me a comment and let me know what you think of this. All right. Happy holidays, everyone.